Volkswagen intends to introduce the ID.2 model in the year 2025. The ID.2 is a member of the growing range of Volkswagen vehicles constructed on the versatile MEB, Modular Electric Drive, platform. The ID.2 is expected to have a range suitable for daily use, thanks to its highly efficient battery and superior electric motor, despite its diminutive size. The ID.2 will have cutting-edge technology, similar to other contemporary Volkswagen electric vehicles, including an innovative entertainment system, smart driving assistance features, and a wide range of networking choices. Volkswagen seeks to bolster consumer demand for electric vehicles by lowering the price of the ID.2. The ID.2 is expected to retain Volkswagen's unique design language, which effortlessly blends historical components with an electronic atmosphere. Although the back door handles are hidden behind the side windows and there is a perceptible furrow along the side, the conventionally powered supermini from VW can accurately replicate its front appearance and profile. The Golf's distinctive C-pillar has undergone significant alterations. Volkswagen has incorporated cutting-edge LED lighting technology into its vehicles, and the ID.2 is said to include a unique lighting arrangement. Given its small dimensions and competitive cost, it is highly likely that the ID.2 electric car will incorporate a design that is both efficient and pragmatic. The ID.2 is presumably being engineered with an aerodynamic configuration and streamlined components in order to maximize its range. The Volkswagen ID.2, a diminutive electric automobile, is scheduled for launch in 2025. It will function as a cost-effective option for ecologically aware consumers. The projected initial price of the 2025 Volkswagen ID.2 in the United States is expected to be approximately €25,000, which is equivalent to $26,000. The MEB entry project evolved from the MEB platform, which was the basis for the creation of prominent automobiles like the Skoda Enyaq and the Volkswagen ID.3. The main goal was to optimize the mass production of small, affordable cars. To optimize the design and cut costs, it removes the electric motor and instead implements a front-wheel drive configuration and a torsion beam rear suspension.